Do you want to know how you can buy more fast hours on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy fast hours on Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. After you click on Midjourney, tap on the official link, which is the first link. Log into your account, and what you need to do next is click on this three dots icon, which you can see on the bottom left hand corner. Then go to manage subscriptions. After you go to manage subscriptions, you can see buy more fast hours over here. Click on this and you can see some of the amounts. So you can see 1 hour of fast hour will cost you $4, 2 hours for $8, 5 hours for $20, and for $48 you get 12 hours of fast hours. So you can choose it, click continue and click purchase. You can see that you can confirm your purchase by writing down your login details, your card number, and then you can buy more fast hours easily. So this is how you purchase fast hours on Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.